Good morning, my dear students. I am your social teacher of class 4. Today, we are going to see an interesting topic, that is Unit 3, Lesson 7, the climate of our country. Students, all our food items, dresses, and the living habits, everything depend on the climate, isn't it? So, we are going to see what do you mean by weather. The weather of a place can change from day to day or even hour to hour. The same place might experience a cloudy and windy morning, a summer afternoon, and a rainy evening, all of the same day, isn't it? Now, can you understand what do you mean by weather? Morning it will be so cool, and afternoon very hot, and evening it will be cool, isn't it? So, within a day, the weather will change. So, what we need to say, we should not say the climate is good. We need to say the weather is good, isn't it? Okay, try to change. Now we can see the climate. The climate is the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The cloth we wear, the food we eat, and the fruits and vegetables that we grow all depend on climate. Students, now can you understand what do you mean by weather and a climate? The weather is the state of atmosphere with the region to sunshine, rain, wind, etc. is called weather. And the climate means average weather conditions of a place over a long span of time. The physical features of a place influence its climate. The climate of a place depends on many features. Shall we see now? Some of the facts that affects the climate of an area includes location, where we are, and temperature. Maybe it will be hot or cool. Direction of wind blowing in the region. Distance from the equator and rainfall. The temperature and rainfall of an area are some important factors that affect the climate of that area. A year is divided into seasons that are caused due to the Earth's position being closer or further away from the sun. If it is very closer, what will happen when the sun is near to that? The earth is near to the sun, so what is the climate? It will be very hot. So we have summer climate. And when it is move far away from the sun, so what will happen? It will be cool. So we have winter and monsoon, isn't it? Based on the climate, based on the season, what we are eating, what we wear, and the crops, everything will grow, isn't it? So we can move to summer season. Students, totally we have 12 months in a year, that we all know. In seasons, we have only 3 seasons, that is summer, winter and monsoon. Each season carries 4 months. Can you able to understand? Each season carries 4 months. Now we can see very easily. Coming to the summer season. Summer in India is from March to June. That is 4 months. March, April, May, June. It carries 4 months. These are the hottest month of the year. So, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow over many parts of North India during the day in this season. The coastal areas are less hot during this time because they are closer to sea. Humidity is very high in this area because of the moisture in the atmosphere. The weather is cool in hilly regions because the temperature falls with increase in height above the sea level. Many people from plains go to hilly areas like Mussoorie, Nainital, Ooty, Kodaikanal, etc. The king of the fruit is mango. It is a special treat of the season. Some areas get heavy rainfall towards the end of this summer season. We wear light cotton cloths during this season. Mango, melon, and watermelon are common summer fruits that people eat during this season to bear the heat. Students, now we can move to monsoon season. Tell me, what do you mean by monsoon season? Which means rainy season. So, what we will do in the rainy season? Yeah, we will wear raincoat and we will use umbrella. For chillness, we will drink hot water or a hot coffee or tea to make our body warm. The season starts from mid-June to end of September. These monsoon winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. The winds carry moisture and form clouds that give us rain. What do you mean by moisture? Which means Eerapadam. The rain is a natural source of water on earth. Many rivers, lakes, and ponds depend on the rain for water. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground and it's stored as groundwater. This we all know, isn't it? There are many artificial means of irrigation. The farmers in many parts of the country depend on the rain. The distribution of rainfall varies from region to region. So, when it is rainy in our state, the Rajasthan is very hot and Himachal Pradesh it will be very cool. So, while parts of Rajasthan hardly receive any rainfall, Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on earth. It also rains heavily in the hilly coast and the northeastern region. Very heavy rainfall may cause flood. Do you know what do you mean by flood? If it is a heavy rainfall, an overflow of water onto dry land area is called a flood. In some places, the monsoon may be very poor in a particular year. Is called drought. What do you mean by drought? So, what is the difference between flood and the drought? Flood means when it is rains heavily, the flood will come. If there is no rain, that is called drought. A long period of time when there is no enough rain is called drought. Can you understand the difference between flood and the drought? Students, now we can move to winter season. How many of them like winter season? Sure, I will like because that seasons will be very cool. What we will do for keeping our body warm? We will drink hot water, hot coffee, and we will bath in hot water. We use bed sheets and the days are shorter and the nights are longer in this season. Shall we see the season now? This winter season starts from mid-November and continue till February. The slanting rays of the sun cause a change in temperature and the weather become cool. During winter, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Some areas in the northern mountains get heavy snowfall, while plains experience fog and sometimes rain. What do you mean by fog? In Tamil we will say Panimootam. In early morning, we can see this fog in our area. The extreme northeastern parts of India and some parts of Punjab and Tamil Nadu experience rainfall during this season. We wear woolen cloths to keep ourselves warm and often enjoy drinking hot soup, coffee and tea. Students, now we can see autumn season. What do you mean by autumn season? What is the season? This season is very dry because all the leaves will fall down. So, this autumn comes after the rainy season, before winter. The weather is cool and pleasant. Many trees lose their leaves during this season. So, again, when the leaves will grow, these leaves will grow in the spring season. I like spring season because so many butterflies will come and beautiful flowers will blossom. This spring season comes after winter and before the beginning of summer. It is the most pleasant time of the year as it is not too hot and not too cold. It is the time to put away the warm winter clothes and bring out the light cotton cloths. Many trees get new leaves and flowers during spring season. Students, now we can see the recent climatic changes. The general changes in climate includes a rise or fall in temperature and rainfall are some of the climatic changes. Recent activities by human beings such as cutting down of trees to build houses and factories have also affected in this change in climate. These climatic changes have made monsoon unpredictable. What do you mean by unpredictable? Unsure or uncertain. We can't predict that monsoon season. So, some years we get excess rainfall while some years there is a scanty or very little rainfall. This affects agriculture and availability of food. So what will happen? Some particular plants will grow in particular season. All the human beings and all the living organisms depend on water. So water is a very essential one in our life. We can reduce the effect of a human development on a climate by growing more trees and reduce pollution. Students, that's all. We completed this lesson. This lesson is very easy and very interesting. And try to do the book exercise. Thank you, children. Have a good day.